Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Yeah, shut it off. Yeah, it definitely sounds like a rod knock or something.
Yeah,
Shit.